Welcome. Today we're going to walk you through the simple steps to log into the Instagram app on your PC with the latest update. Whether you're new to Instagram or just switching from mobile to desktop, this quick guide will have you signed in and ready to explore in no time. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. You can find it directly in your Start menu, or by searching for Instagram in the Microsoft Store if you haven't installed it yet. Once the app is open, you'll be greeted with the login screen. Next, enter your Instagram username in the designated field. This is the unique name you use to identify your account, so be sure to type it accurately to avoid any login issues. After entering your username, type in your password. Make sure to enter it carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, or any special characters you may have included when you created your password. If you're concerned about privacy, you can usually toggle the visibility to check your typing before proceeding. Now that both your username and password are entered correctly, go ahead and click the Sign In button. The app will process your information and, if everything matches, you'll be logged into your Instagram account instantly. A couple of things to keep in mind. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you might be asked to verify your login with a code sent to your phone or email. Also, if you've forgotten your password, you can use the Forgot Password option right on the login page to reset it quickly. Once signed in, you'll have full access to your feed, messages, stories, and all the exciting Instagram features you love, right from your PC. Navigating through your profile and interacting with posts becomes just as easy as on the mobile app. That's it. Logging into Instagram on your PC with the new update is straightforward and user-friendly. Whether you're managing your personal account or handling a business profile, this process keeps you connected effortlessly. Thanks for watching.